Many analysts talk about agentic or AI agent-based solutions being the way forward for software companies. But how do you integrate these where they're both useful and secure? Let's have a look. In this example here, we've uploaded a price list to the agent. Now bear in mind, within Market Dojo we use AI in a number of ways to create questionnaires or just general help. In this example here, it's being used as an agent. We've uploaded a price list as a spreadsheet because procurement still use spreadsheets, and with that we've created an event. The agent asks a couple of questions to clarify parts of the event, and then it's nicely created the event on the back of it with an advanced lot. And that's just one way you can use an agent within our tool to do more than just a simple query. And on the back of that, what we're trying to do is ensure that anything we do within the AI sphere is both useful and secure. All customer data is held securely and not used for training. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.